Hello. In the last session, you have learned how to sign up and create a course. This session is designed to teach you how to get students signed up for your course and also give them the code in order to get them to log in. So first of all, we're on Schoology.com. Again, you can use any internet browser. You can use your iPad, but we're at Schoology.com. And we're going to log in. Remember, you're supposed to use your CSHM email address. So mine is this one. And I'll add in my password. Now here's the main screen, and again this should look familiar from the last video. Also from the last video, you remember that all your courses and all your classes, all the web pages for your classes will be up here where it says courses. So I'll click here. I already have two courses designed, AP Bio and AP Calculus, so I'm just going to select one. Now, you may notice here at the bottom left corner that in the green box I have what they call an access code. This is the code in which all the students will need in order to sign up for your class. It's recommended. What I'm going to do is put it in my class syllabus. You can also post it on the board. You can also, find different ways you want to give it to them. One way last year some of the teachers did it is they brought all the students to the computer lab. Freshman and sophomore classes that have iPads, they could even do it inside the classroom. But this is the access code that we'll need. If you teach multiple classes, each class has its own access code, which also means a student that has 6 classes will need to put in 6 different access codes for each class. So now, as a student, if I could just log out, a student that is starting from scratch, they haven't done Schoology yet, what they need to do is they'll click on Sign Up, they'll select Student, and they're going to put in their information. But before they put in the information, they're going to ask for an access code. So remember that 10 character access code that we started earlier, they'll need to put that in right here. So I've already copied and pasted it. So again, the students will have it on their syllabus, so they put it on the board. Insert it like so, and I'll click Continue. And then it has the access code here, and then they'll be required to put their first and last name. I'll put testing. And this one prompts them to say email or username. So for students, I will also create an instructional video, but encourage the students or tell the students that they need to put an email. There's 2 reasons why they need to put an email. One is because if they don't put an email, they do not get notifications. And again, the power of this platform is that every time that you grade or post an assignment, they will get a notification. Students can choose email or text message every time there's a new assignment or a new grade, etc. So I will just put a new or an email address, again, instead of a username. Oh, and the second reason is if they log in, they'll be required to put in the school. So the process to log in is actually a little bit longer if you do username. So encourage them and make sure or tell them that they have to put in an email. They'll have to create a password. And again, there's this periodic updates or periodic emails that they could put in. And then I'll click on register. Let me just try a different fake email address. If you did everything correctly, students will be forwarded to this screen. They'll be given a tour, so they could start a tour, and they could see a student themselves can actually check out how the functionality of this platform works, how to go, where things are, and most kids intuitively know where to go. Here on the right, again, we talked about in the previous video, this is their calendar. So any assignments, if a student has a few, and you can see I got an email that a student has joined your class. So as teachers, you'll get an email. And then you'll get this calendar, a student will get a calendar of all the assignments. So if a student with 6 classes and everyone's successfully using Schoology, their assignments all for the week will appear here with a link. So if they want to complete it, they click on it and it'll be there for them. And that's how you do it. Now here's the other question that people have. So they've already signed up. How do they join other courses? The process that I taught you, was that they were signing up with a brand new account. But let's just say they've already signed up. How do they add a new course? So again, this is the student's account. See, it says testing. And look at courses, and this person is already enrolled in AP Biology. What if this student testing wanted to enroll in my AP Calculus class? This is how they do it. So first of all, they log in. So here they're logged in. And they're going to need a new access code for the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth classes for your Schoology. So again, we'll go to courses. And it says here join. And this is how students who have already existing account join a new class. So click on join. And again, it'll ask for an access code. I've already copied and pasted the access code for second class, and remember I showed you where to find that. So I'll paste it, and I'll click join, and if I do everything correctly, it'll give me the same notification, you have successfully joined the course. And then again, I'll give them a tour, and now they have access to my AP Calculus class. And just to verify, they can click on this link and they can see that they're already enrolled in 2 different courses. So that is the video on how to get students to sign up for your classes. If you have any questions, feel free to see me. Hope you enjoy Schoology.